Welcome again to Garden Wise Adventures. Today we're going to take you on the start of a new garden adventure. I have talked in my previous videos about my need to update and kind of change out a little bit of the elements in my front yard. And I've decided I'm going to create a video course and take you along with the adventure. So just kind of a little background about me. I have a degree from Brigham Young University in landscape management. I've owned my own landscape maintenance company for 5 years. I've worked with Central Gardens in Orem when they actually had a garden. Worked with a couple of nurseries. I'm a local scape partner and have taken their courses. So all that experience withstanding, I am not a landscape architect. I do have my own design ideas, and sometimes people may disagree with them, people may not like the way I do things, but that's okay. It's my own process and it works for me. So what I would like to do is take you along this process, and if you have a landscape that you would like to design, kind of have you work together with me on this process. We'll collaborate, and over this winter, create some landscape designs. Now, these videos, I'm going to do them weekly, one a week. We're going to take you from starting next week, going on through the end of March, and that will put you right at the perfect time in spring, if the time and resources come together to actually do a full landscape installation. Now, some of the things these videos are going to cover is site analysis, both what you need to think about before you walk through your property, walking through your property, looking at all of the elements on your property. We're going to cover all of that as a site analysis. We're going to cover the drawing out process. How do you draw out plans? Do you use software? Do you do it by hand? We're going to also cover plants and maintenance. There's a lot of different things we're going to be covering. Now these videos are just going to cover like the very basics. What I'm thinking about is if these are well received, I'm going to do a deeper dive on each topic and create an actual video course on landscape design using the principles that I use. So that is my plan. And if you like this idea, if you think it's going to be helpful to you, like my videos, subscribe, share with your friends, and let me know in the comments what you think. So let's get ready to start this new garden adventure, and enjoy your week.